Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to join us at Innovation Center of Farsoon Technologies. My name is Eric, Head of R&D Testing Team. Today, I'm glad to show you the next generation medium to large metal system with continuous production capability, the FS422M. During over 6 years of iteration from FS421M, the latest FS422M integrated with multi-technologies, targeting productivity, qualifications, and high efficiency or operation workflow. Let's start with build chamber. The FS422M planned for boasts a standard build volume of 425 × 425 square millimeter, with Z height 420 millimeter, and a taller cylinder version, FS422M-H, with extended vertical axis of 550 millimeters for even higher build volume manufacturing capability, up to 99 liters. Equipped with up to 4 robust fiber lasers, high-speed gobble system boosts high production yield. The FS422M, designed with many features for enhanced parts quality and production repeatability. The advanced multi-laser scanning strategy enables high-efficiency distribution of each laser working in parallel and calibration accuracy in overlapping area for uniform mechanical properties throughout the large build platform. The innovative Precision Cube is tailored for optimizing laser calibration and overlap adjustment processes with significantly improved efficiency and precision. Featuring robust hardware components, including industry sensors, CCD camera, and calibration software. It can minimize joint and alignment marks within the overlap zone. The FS422M build chamber features stable gas flow with all-new multi-layer window wall design for real-time particle removal throughout the whole oversized chamber. Ensure quality, repeatable parts properties. The FS422M comes equipped with our latest permanent integrated filtration module. The users only need to clean the dust bin when needed. The FS422M is also a CAM system that stands for Continuous Additive Manufacturing Solution. Let's see how it works. The FS422M system features exchangeable build cartridge design, allows convenient transportation. Once the build is finished, the cartridge forklift will access the same lock for extracting the build cartridge into the inert breakout station for part cleaning process. This exchangeable cartridge strategy enables true continuous production capability with almost no machine downtime. Next, let me show you the highly efficient closed-loop powder handling process. Integrated with blowing and suction functions, the breakout station is fully enclosed with access through glove boxes on the front. Allows for accelerated part cake cleaning on the inert gas protection. The FS422M powder handling system shares a common module powder container design for loading, recycling, and sieving in the inert gas protection. The sieving station collects the overflow powder from the FS422M system and recycle the powder from the breakout station to a module container for sieving. The refreshed powder will be collected and transported to the powder refill unit, offering continuous supply to the build job. Featured with a high-efficiency top-feed powder system, the portable powder refill unit can be easily docked to FS422M, enabling quick refill of the material into a new material tank without distributing the build process. Finally, like all Farsoon systems, the FS422M platform is powered by Farsoon Make-Store software package, which controls and real-time monitors key build environment data during machine operation, including oxygen content, laser power, airflow, temperature, and humidity. In addition, the real-time in-chamber camera is equipped to virtually record each layer for ensured build quality. The detailed log file is available to the user for process control and documentation. This is the powerful, reliable, large format Farsoon FS422M platform. If you'd like more information, please contact us at globalinform@farsoon.com. We will talk soon. Bye for now.